Hi everybody, it's Michael over at the Bushy Fork Rocket Shop. Give a quick update on the solar panel and system that I've got in. Take a look at what we have here, so that you know I was telling you true. This is where I'm at. I installed a 100-watt solar panel on the roof of the building, and physically located, it is directly above my head where I'm standing now, center of the building. This is the output from the solar panel through the charger. This is my solar charger. I admit it is not the best out there, and those of you that like to spend money can buy one with all the dials and whistles, lights, and bells. I'm sort of a low-cost individual myself. This is operating my node as you see it here. That's the monitor that I've got hooked up to it. If anybody would like to donate a 12-volt monitor to go with this, I'll be happy to take it, and then the entire system will be self-contained. We have a diode bridge, full wave rectifier bridge in the back here. I know you can't see it from where I'm at, but that feeds this gel cell battery here, and that diode bridge reduces incoming voltage just by nature of the beast. And the voltage that I've got coming in now, and mind you, my solar panel is in the shade at the moment. This is the voltage that I've got charging the battery for my gel cell to back up to the Raspberry Pi. Right now I am extremely happy with the way this is working. The battery you see down here is my best guess between 5 and 6 years old. It was given to me as a used battery 4 years ago. And this clutter is my node, and it is operating properly. I will give more updates if anything happens worth noting.